Hi everyone, today I'm going to be doing a Rihanna and Angelina Jolie makeup look. I hope you enjoy. Please send requests or comments. Okay, so first I'm going to start off with an eyeshadow. It's, like a nude color. It's discontinued, it's a very old brand, but any kind of nude color would do. So you're just going to put that all over your eyelid. It's a little bit like a shade stick. But since this one isn't sharpened, if it's not sharpened, you don't have time, just put some on your finger and just put it all over, right up to the brow bone. Very lightly though. So once you got that, we're gonna be starting off with a eye pencil, same one I used in my first tutorial, and you're just gonna put it, actually no, we're gonna be doing a liquid liner instead because I think that this goes more quick. So anyway, you're gonna steady your little finger and just go from in the middle. It doesn't matter really, you can just go from however you do it, but it doesn't matter how thick or thin. But I usually do it the thin way because it's more neutral. So that's that. And you're going to do the same thing on the other side. Just make sure to do a very thin line because this is a very neutral look, but dramatic. Oh, and one other tip. If you need to go away or blink, don't put it near your eye. Just pull away from this because it'll just catch the skin and won't look nice. And then just take it out a little. Just flick it out like that. So you have it like that. Now, I'm going to be taking the pencil again. I messed up on the first time and you're going to just put it on either your waterline or lower lash line. You get to choose. And you want to go all the way in. Just like that. See, compared to that eye? I put mine on the waterline. It does tend to be more wet because it's the wettest part of your eye because it's the waterline where your tear duct is. So I usually put on the lower lash line, but it's easier for me to put on the waterline. It's not as hard. And there you have it, like that. Once you got that on, oh, right here it is. You're gonna be taking, well, there's something, stuff all over me, my face, see that? Anyway, once you got that on, you're going to take a mascara. This is the Volume Express by Maybelline, and this is in very black, just a regular black mascara. It doesn't have to be, but just any kind of black mascara. So you're just gonna tip your head back and give the wand a wiggle from root to tip. And there you have it. And now we're gonna go with another pink blush. It looks very light pink on the camera, but it's actually kind of a dark orangish, like a scarlet kind of color. And it's, you know, it's cyber colors. You can also get it, but it's also in Hong Kong. In my other tutorial, I mentioned that it's only in on the Sasa Cosmetics, but I found out it's actually in Hong Kong. But there's still a website that you can order it from. This is number 10, and it's called Blushwear. And you can take a blush brush. This is by Estee Lauder. I don't know the size. I don't know if it's continued or not, so sorry. Dab any excess off. I'm just gonna go like that. Just squeeze it a little bit like that because you get more contour, and you just want to make it a triangular shape that way, that angle. And you don't want to be like me and put too much blush on because you don't want to achieve that silly look. Okay, now that you finished the blush, we're going to finish with some nice pink lips. But first, we're going to powder the lip. And I forgot to get something. It's over here. Oh. I know I should be prepared, but I'm not. So you're just going to take any sponge to match your foundation. Just going to take a little powder like that. And cover your lip. Now we're gonna take some lipstick, and by doing this, you've given yourself a more better balance because some people have quite colored lips, and mine are quite red. Funny enough, so the color will change. And we're gonna go for this one by NYC. It's called Chiffon. And there you have it. My wonderful Rihanna Angelina Jolie cat eye tutorial. This lipstick on me does not look quite right. Makes my teeth look quite yellow. But it's the look that Angelina and Rihanna have on their picture there. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed my tutorial. And please send any comments or requests. And please subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye bye. Thanks for watching.